On today's day trip, we're on our way to Dollywood, traveling through the Smoky Mountain National Park to get there. This time in Cherokee, we saw an elk in the river. But first, we have to stop in Asheville to get some gas, where it's $3.96 per gallon. Get it good and clean, get all them bugs off.
Just to put more.
Classic car. There's always one section through Asheville that slows down, and you'll get around the corner, it'll speed up. There's no reason for the slowdown. I mean, there's a reason, but you don't see it.
It's right at the REI exit, if you know where that's at.
If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the button and do that. It's free for you, and it helps our channel out a whole lot. Thanks.
This is the Tuckasegee River and Cullowhee. Right here, as you're leaving Cherokee, they have this little setup here. With bear and foxes.
It tells a story, but I think we're going the backwards way. No, this is the right way. It's a story about a fox stealing the bear's tail. That the bear had a long tail, but then the fox took it, and then he's got a short tail. It's some kind of Indian folklore tale that they have.
Having a bath and a drink.
One of the usual ways when you're coming through the national park down near Cherokee, if you see a car on the other side of the road or in front of you, not like this one, but actually in the road just suddenly stopped, then that means there's an elk or a bear or something worth looking for as you're coming along. We're back at Dollywood. This is pretty. Look how bright it is now. 3 weeks ago, this was mostly green. In the background, you can hear Dolly telling a story about her mother making a coat out of scraps. Her famous coat of many colors. And that's what this topiary is about. I don't know if y'all can hear Johnny. We don't have our mics on. He said it's a lot brighter too. And it is. I can't. So I remember that little coat again. And I couldn't wait for this person to be able to see this beautiful flowers. Your mom was sitting there, that little coat. You just can't imagine how that makes me feel. I've never noticed she's sitting on a chest.
Looks like a oak chest or something.
Yeah.
Cedar chest.
sun shining through those wings.
Photo at the Rascals today.
There's a duck. If you look to the middle of the screen. Yeah. What is up with this? How do you lose your underwear in the middle of an amusement park?
Pushing, keep pushing. Hey, give yourself a train, everybody. Come on, wave at them. Come on, give them a round of applause up there. Thank you very much. Now, folks, you look to the left right of there's a really big cabin up there. See a big old cabin up there? Now, I've been told it has 4 stories and an elevator in it. Guess who lives there, folks? Guess who lives there? To the place.
So the song goes on for a while and it's copyrighted, so I am going to talk right here. What you're looking at is the new ride called Night Flight Expedition. It's supposed to be a water ride and something that everybody in the family, all ages, are supposed to be able to ride together. So it's not going to be like some extreme thrill ride or something. But anyway, we wanted to show the footage of this because it's the construction. That water tower is pretty, isn't it? Just the construction that's going on, and it was neat because you could smell the paint and all of the wood and just see everything. You don't know what's going on, but you can see it all. And I'm sure there's somebody out there that loves this kind of stuff and is probably pausing it right now just to examine every little detail. So y'all just go right ahead and have fun. And in a minute, we'll be back to the end of the train ride. We can see Big Bear roller coaster coming up and some other things.
on. There's got to be 30 or more hundred. There's got to be 3 dollars again with me. How do you do a lot of strings? We can't do that unless somebody says, how do you do? We're the next to last string. So we speak aloud as red. That's Nathan. Nathan, show that dolly smile. Give him that dolly smile.
That's one of those things that the rain collects and it goes down and makes a little noise. This is in the blacksmith shop. You can get wind chimes and I don't know what those things are called where the rain comes down through it. Little cardinals.
Those are called rain chains.
Oh, all right. There you go.
I didn't know that it was on the tag. I cheated.
The peacock. Bugs. Just walked through a flock of fleas or something. Look at the peacock tail.
Sarah, you're gonna want to come in here. They have quilts on all the walls.
I don't know if the light is a good thing or if it's a glare. You go out this way. In the middle of the screen is roots from a tree. A tree fell over during a storm a few weeks ago, and this is the eagle enclosure where they have birds that can't survive out in the wild, eagles, and they take care of them and they live in this aviary. But the tree fell over, and if you look in the middle of the screen now, it'll show where the netting has fallen and the eagles escaped. They had to round them up. They got all but 3, and then recently they found one of them. There's 2 of them still out and about, and one has been spotted over near Anakeesta, and they're trying to capture him to get him back. But that's all I know about that.
Chipmunk.
Where?
There's a little chipmunk.
pretty cute. I've never seen one sit still that long.
He's out on the prowl while all the eagles are gone.
Yeah, he would be dinner in here. Of course, they probably give them something more tasty than a chipmunk snack. However, instincts.
They may still play with him instead. And that wouldn't turn out good for the chipmunk.
There we are. Johnny and Lauren. We're on our way up towards the Blazing Fury. Right up there.
And Wildwood Grove.
All throughout the park's little water features. I like it because it kind of cools things down sometimes. There's the drop zone. We're all waiting to go way up and drop 77 miles per hour down. And that would be a big no. Spot for a fun pic. Ollie left her clothes out to dry. Birdhouses. And some random gears. Are those gears or saw blades?
Saw blades.
I don't know. Looks like gears to me.
Is this something Mr. Miyagi made right here?
Oh, this?
Yeah. It kind of looks like it.
Kinda. So now we're at dinner in Gatlinburg at Mama's Chicken Kitchen. And this is what we're dealing with. Johnny got fried chicken, and instead of having the gravy on top of it, he got it on the side. And then that's chicken and dumplings and mashed potatoes and gravy. And then a little thing of jam to go with the biscuit. And I'm gonna share some of his, but he didn't know it.
I know it now.
And I got a piece of fried chicken because it's very, very good. This is what it looks like inside. They have pictures on the walls of different national parks. And we have decided we want to make a road trip all around the country to see every national park. Gatlinburg at night. It is 9:15 on Saturday night. Margaritaville. Back in there. And up there's the Sky Bridge. Up high. I don't know if you can. It's hard to see on this little screen.
having a quiet ride home in the mountains. We'll go through Cherokee down that way.
Dollywood was full today of a whole bunch of kids, not baby goats. I'm talking about people's children. It was full of high school band groups. So teenagers, yeah. And they were running around. I don't know where they get all that energy.
It looked like they must have been in a band competition.
Yeah. So.
From the markings on their shirts.
Yep. So anyway, we're on our way towards Cherokee now, and hoping nothing comes out in the road from these woods. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.